Now we're going to treat a residential tub. It's very slippery. In fact, there's been a fall here, so they've asked us to treat it. First thing we need to determine is, can we treat it? Is it a porcelain tub? Easy way to tell is take a quarter and we scratch it on the bottom of the tub, and if it leaves a line like a pencil mark, this tub is porcelain and we can treat it. Very simple to treat a bathtub. We just use a spray bottle. We could use anywhere from 6 to 12 to 1, 6 to 1 to 12 to 1. This happens to be a mixture of 12 to 1 that I've got left over from another job, so I'm just going to apply the solution. It should be treated in 3 or 4 minutes. No need to treat the sides of the tub. We're only getting on the surface where the feet are. It's been 4 minutes now. The tub feels safe, so now we're going to rinse with water and test it. We pulled an 89, which is extremely safe, and this will last the life of the tub.